Can you add Venmo by phone number? Intro. Hey there, you're out with friends, having a blast. You split the bill, but one friend can't remember their Venmo handle. What do? You could fumble with your phone, trying to find their name in your contacts. Or, you could simply ask for their phone number and add them directly. But is it possible? Can you really add someone on Venmo just by using their phone number? Let's find out. Part 1. The myth debunked. For a long time, there was a rumor circulating that you could add friends to Venmo using their phone number. This rumor likely stemmed from the convenience of being able to add contacts from your phone's address book. However, as of current year, that's not the case. Part 2. The current reality. So, if you can't add friends by phone number, how do you actually do it? There are two primary methods. Venmo handle. The most common way is to use a friend's Venmo handle. This is essentially their username on the platform. To find someone's Venmo handle, you can usually ask them directly or check their social media profiles. Email address. If you don't have their Venmo handle, you can use their email address. This is a less common method, but it's still possible. Part 3. Why can't you use phone numbers? You might be wondering why Venmo hasn't implemented the feature of adding friends by phone number. There could be a few reasons. Privacy concerns. Adding friends by phone number could raise privacy concerns. Venmo might want to avoid collecting and storing users' phone numbers, especially if they don't explicitly consent to it. Security risks. Phone numbers can be easily shared and compromised. Using phone numbers for payments could potentially increase the risk of fraud or unauthorized transactions. Technical limitations. There might be technical challenges involved in integrating phone numbers into Venmo's payment system. Part 4. Workarounds and tips. While you can't directly add friends by phone number, there are a few workarounds you can try. Ask for their Venmo handle. This is the most straightforward method. Simply ask your friend for their Venmo handle and search for them on the app. Check social media. Many people list their Venmo handles on their social media profiles, such as Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Use a contact sharing app. If you're having trouble remembering Venmo handles, consider using a contact sharing app like Bump or Tapjoy. These apps allow you to easily share your contact information, including your Venmo handle, with friends. Part 5. The future of Venmo. While Venmo hasn't added the feature of adding friends by phone number yet, it's possible that they might consider it in the future. As technology continues to evolve and privacy concerns are addressed, there's a chance that we could see this feature implemented. Conclusion. So, can you add Venmo by phone number? Unfortunately, not at this time. However, there are still plenty of ways to connect with friends and make payments on the platform. By understanding the current methods and exploring workarounds, you can easily add friends to Venmo and enjoy the convenience of peer-to-peer payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.